Sorry guys, I was just having a moment with the best trimmer ever. That's right you guys, the day is finally here. You guys have heard me talk about this trimmer plenty of times before, and the only downfall was the color. So today we have the all black Stylecraft Saber. If you guys haven't heard me talk about it in a bunch of my videos, guys, the Saber is absolutely, I'm gonna go ahead and say it now, the best trimmer that I've ever used. It was right up there. I used it for a while and I would say it absolutely compares to the FX, but now after using it for about 6 months, I don't even know how long it's been, and now we're getting the black version, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say that it is my favorite trimmer that I've ever used. So it popped up yesterday. I got up super early this morning and came in to do this unboxing for you guys. Not gonna be a whole lot different, but we're gonna go through the box, see what it's all about. Of course, guys, charge it up. I'm gonna test it out and show you guys what makes it so good, what makes it the best trimmer on the market. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Now without further ado, let's throw this thing down on the station and open it up. All right guys, so the day is finally here. Stylecraft Pro brushless Saber. You guys see the all black professional metal trimmer with digital brushless motor. I just realized guys, sometimes because of how shiny they make these boxes, it's hard for you guys to read up here on this camera, so that's why I read it for you. I try to show you guys best I can, but I read it as well, and of course you guys can go check it out on the website, whatever, if you want to know more. Here on this side guys, we got Stylecraft Pro brushless Saber, same thing, picture of the trimmer, another little picture with the dock, developed in the USA. On the bottom here we got 4 hours cordless runtime. That is phenomenal. Adjustable zero gap blade, digital brushless, doesn't say motor, but that is the motor. Low noise and low vibration, one of my favorite things about it. Micro USB rechargeable, heavy duty full metal body, black diamond X Pro wide blade, and 7,500 RPMs. Now we flip it over guys, similar stuff, but a little more detail. So we have the premium DLC black diamond X Pro wide fixed blade. Now that is the steel blade on the outside guys, so that's a black X Pro blade. This does have the one cutting blade. If you want to know more about that guys, I did do a video on the one blades, but that is what makes this thing so good. High torque, low vibration, digital brushless motor, runs at 7,500 RPM, offering more powerful and efficient cutting. Full metal trimmer provides 4 hours of continuous runtime with a 90-minute recharge time. So 90 minutes guys, that's an hour and a half it will take to recharge, and you get 4 hours of life out of it. That is plenty. I mean, you got to be cutting a lot of hair to need more than 4 hours of a trimmer in one day. Includes cleaning maintenance kit, mini screwdriver, charging cord, zero gap, blade setter, and stand. So of course we know all that guys. Just a little bit more details here. Yeah, it does say equipped with black diamond, the one blade, crunchiest, smoothest cutting with no pulling. So we already know that's fire. Long life digital brushless motor offers more efficient power transfer for smooth operation and reduction of heat. So yeah, definitely have never really noticed that these things get hot and they're super quiet. Fully adjustable blade, you can zero gap, of course. Lithium ion battery for 4 hour runtime. Heavy duty full metal body with skeleton design, so you get that skeleton design where you guys can get those into hard to reach places. Universal micro USB, I don't really use that guys, I just use the dock, but if you did take them with you, it's just a USB cord. And it includes the zero gap blade setter guys, that is actually the blade cover. So when we get this out, you guys can check that out. But that is it for the box guys. Let's go ahead and open these things up guys. I am super excited. You know I love this all black. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and take the trimmer out, set it to the side. We don't really need the dock. I already have a dock on my station. Underneath, guys, basic stuff. Clipper brush, we got some clipper oil, and we got a few extra screws, I guess, maybe for the lid. Charging cord, and we have the micro USB. You guys see, like I said, regular USB, and you can plug it straight into the back. We got our magnetic screwdriver. These are super nice, guys. I have about 50 of them at this point, but if you guys don't have one, make sure you hang on to that when you open up your trimmers. We do have the paperwork in the bottom that we never look at. But guys, here is the trimmer, the Stylecraft Saber, all black. I do absolutely love the gold one, guys. It is amazing, but you guys know I like black a lot better. And guys, Stylecraft actually hit me up when the gold one came out and said, hey man, listen, we know you don't really like gold, we know you like black, but you have got to check out this trimmer. And I was impressed, so I'm not too mad about the color, but I definitely am excited about the all black. But you guys can see, basically the same as the Saber. You got Saber at the top, digital brushless motor. We got the hexagon button in the middle, Stylecraft at the bottom. Nothing on either side, guys. It is just empty there. No power switch or anything, obviously, because it's on the front. Now, here's the zero gap setter, guys. It also doubles as a blade cover, so you guys can slide it off to the side. And there is our X Pro blade. Man, that thing is oiled up. Can you guys see it? Let's go ahead and give it a wipe. All right, guys, so there it is. there's the X Pro blade. You guys can see it was a little greasy before. Get a little closer for you. So that's the X Pro blade, guys. These are just, I guess, just a little thinner, a little bit better. They feed the hair better. And this is the one blade, guys. So I'm gonna try to get this close where you can see it. But the one blade goes in, back out, and back out. Well, that's kind of confusing, but if you guys can see, it's got like another stagger on it compared to a normal blade that's just one kind of triangle shape to the end. So something about that, guys, is what makes this different, is what makes this so good. But if you guys can see that slight bevel in the teeth right there, that is the difference in the one blade and the other blades from Gamma or anybody else. So yeah, guys, definitely impressed. You guys know I already love the Saber. The all black is even cooler. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on the charging dock, get it charged up. I got a full day today. We're gonna test these things out. I'm gonna bald out with them a little bit, show you guys how good they bald out. Make sure you guys can hear them with this mic, get it nice and close. Speaking of hearing them, let's go ahead and turn them on for you so you guys can hear how quiet they are. Man, almost silent. Like, I don't even know if you guys can hear that. We'll do some lineups as well, guys, some designs maybe if I can get them. Whatever we can do with this trimmer, I just want to make sure I can show you guys how amazing this thing is straight out of the box. All right, y'all, I got to call you in the chair. We already got the cut done. I'll test out these Sabers on the lineup. So we'll go around both ears and line it up, do his front hairline, and see what these things is really looking like. So I've used the gold ones on him. I was just telling him about them, but I've used the gold ones on him. So he's seen them before. You guys have seen them before, but well, you know, we just want to make sure they're still just as consistent as before. And if you guys haven't seen the videos or seen the gold ones, then, you know, this is your first time seeing this trimmer. I just kind of want to show you guys how it cuts. So really the thing I think makes this the best is that it really does everything, right? So it's going to line up super sharp. It's going to bald out super sharp. I'll show you guys that next. If you need it for designs, whatever it is, man, it just does it all. So in the past, I had multiple trimmers, one to bald out, one to do designs, one to do lineups. And so kind of nice that this will do everything, no problem. And, you know, it is a little on the expensive side compared to some. I guess I wouldn't say on the expensive side. I mean, your good trimmers these days are, you know, $200. I believe this is $180, but to buy one trimmer for $180 that will do everything and do everything well, I think that's worth it. So they are hitting a little different than my gold ones. I'm gonna have to adjust them. I am using them straight out of the box, but you can see it's getting it done. He also has a ton of hair behind the ear to line up, so a little bit more work than just kind of your standard lineup, but we'll do the other side and then we'll move on to front hairline. All right, guys, same thing on this side, and you can see like his hair doesn't really start growing until here. This is a lot of curl that I have brushed down, so we're not really like pushing him back like it may look like, guys. This is basically just overhang, just coming in, making sure he has a sharp line. He does have obviously a lot of curls, and then he does have a decently like high hairline around the ear. So just being careful a little as possible. You see these will cut through all this, not really bulk, but all this curl that's in our way that we're trying to line up. He's cut through that no problem. And once we get out of the way, we can kind of refine that and get that nice sharp line around the ears. You guys see, man, these things just smack. You can't really hear them. They are so quiet, especially brand new out of the box. They are just super quiet. You can't hear them at all. But when we bald out later, I will literally like clip the mic on my glove or something so you guys can hear, because you really get that crunch sound, but they're still quiet. That's really what does it. The trimmer itself is quiet, and then you have the metal body, and it just kind of echoes when it cuts the hair. But you guys can see nice sharp line so far on the sides. Now we will go to the front, get his front hairline together, and move on to another cut. All right, guys, front hairline, similar thing here. We're going to take off some overhang. I have it all brushed straight down in the front, and same thing. So we're going to cut through some of this bulk, go straight across. You guys see these things have no problem cutting through all that hair. Nice sharp lines. I've asked them a couple times in some different areas how they feel. Said they feel fine. So something about that one blade, guys, the way I showed you guys in the beginning, the way that blade kind of bevels back. Somebody was explaining it to me the other day, but it makes the actual edge not as sharp. It's kind of the up inside of there that's so sharp and is what gives you the sharp lines. But the edge itself isn't so sharp, so you don't get that like sharp biting feeling on the skin when you put it against the skin. So I don't really know too much about the details of that, but I did his beard earlier with these underneath the neck and asked him, and he said it's no problem. It felt fine, not sharp at all. And you guys can see we're getting a super sharp, nice line. I like that they will cut through all this hair. A lot of trimmers, guys, you have this much hair up in this area and you're trying to line it up. It's not going to cut through all that. So these are nice for that reason. That also is what makes them bald out so well, is they have no problem cutting through bulk. And you guys can see cutting through all that hair, getting a nice sharp line. We worked our way from the middle over to the edges. Now we'll give them a little nice vertical bar. But yeah, guys, I'm telling you, these are, I'm confirming it now, these are, at least I'll say, my favorite trimmer of all time, if not the best trimmer of all time. So obviously, guys, the skeleton is still very good. I still have it on my station, but I'll be honest, ever since I got the gold Saber, I haven't really picked up my skeleton. So that'll tell you something. I just like that these are so versatile. They do everything, like I said. I don't have to get out another trimmer to do anything. Yeah, I don't have to have a hitter and a kid's trimmer and a this. These will actually not be too sharp for kids. They are close, so you want to be careful. You want to be soft-handed. If you're heavy-handed, obviously you want to be careful. But I haven't had any kids. You know, I don't cut a bunch of kids anymore, but I've really never had anybody say, you know, oh, those are a little sharp or anything like that. So you get that safety where you can use them on a lot of people, and they are so versatile. You can use them for really every cut, every part of the cut. At the end of the day, that's what we want in our tools. Even though I have a ton of tools, we don't want 50 different things that I need to get one haircut done. All right, guys, that is it for the lineup portion. You guys can see super sharp lines. We'll go ahead and show you that back too. Whenever we get to a bald fade, guys, I will bald out with it and show you that. And then maybe just a couple other parts showing you guys some lineups and things like that. But you guys can see these things are beasts. All right, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you hear this crunch. I got the mic right here close. We're gonna cut all this side facial hair off on his cheek. Make sure you guys can hear the crunch. I'm even gonna pick it up. I wish I could clip it on like my finger. All right, we're gonna let Jamin test out these. Just need a couple other opinions, so that line real quick. It's the same as the gold one, but just all black.
The cut, man.
Oh, yeah. What do you think about the shape?
I actually like the shape. I actually like how quiet they are. I think this would be a good trimmer, you know, to have with the kids, because we have a few kids here lately that have like sensory issues. Really, we ain't got nothing on our stations that were quiet enough to really...
Now, they are super sharp, so they don't feel super sharp, so you probably get away with it. They do cut super sharp.
I'm being really easy because I don't want to cut him on this one until I get used to it, but...
They're not too gapped, but, I mean, you can see.
But yeah.
Nice sharp line.
I like it.
Do something with these and tell me what you think. Put a line in the side of his head. Come on, no, for real.
Put this on there.
Oh, yeah. What do you think? You ain't got the gold ones either, though.
I think they need to send these to me.
Oh.
What?
Sorry about the light, guys. This is a little dark back here. What do you think about the shape? A lot of people complain about, like, they're kind of rectangle. I think they're kind of like the low pros, though, similar. They are more square.
I don't think it would bother me. They ain't too bad. I mean, it's got a nice weight to it for what it is.
And they're all black. Much better.
I'm not lining up the other side either. This is it.
That's it. He needs a haircut.
I need a haircut every 4 days. I don't know what his deal is.
Copper drop, though.
I don't got none of the trimmers right now. I probably got
Yeah, they're solid. I said, Tim, wait. I know you got the gold ones, but I just want you to check those out. For one, how much are you loving the gold ones so far?
I love the gold ones.
They're fire. I made this video and I'm saying that they're the best trimmer I've ever used. Would you say that?
I say by far.
Yeah, by far. And then the black, of course, I like better. Now, he just got the Saber, and the trimmer combo. But so those are exactly the same, just all black. That's tough, isn't it? You ain't got to use them. I just wanted to see what you thought because you was already using the gold one. They tough?
I might have to get the black ones for sure.
Nah, you got, that's like Markel said, then you got to get the Mythic because it's the black. Then you got the set again. All right, guys, that is it for the Saber review. You guys already know I love this trimmer. The gold one is solid. If you guys want to see more on that, have a little bit more detailed of an unboxing review for the gold one, I will link it at the end of the video. But guys, absolutely a must cop. I'm gonna go ahead and say it. These are the best trimmers I've ever used. So I still like my Gold FX or the FX. Still like them. They're still a solid trimmer. But if you guys message me and say, what trimmer should I get? I'm gonna tell you the Saber. Now, I like the black better, of course. If you guys do have a gold set up, you can rock the gold one if you want, but I obviously like the black one better. But these are both the same, guys, just different colors. So either of these, absolutely a must grab if you guys are looking for a sharp trimmer and especially a trimmer that will do everything. If you guys like to do me a favor and smash that thumbs up for this Saber, let me comment down below. Let me know what you think about these things. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got a bunch of new content coming. I got a quick review of everything that I use, all the clippers and all the trimmers. You guys want to make sure you don't miss that. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching this review and I will catch you guys next time.